Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Possible. Have you ever seen a picture like this, like this, and wondered how they did it? Don't worry. In this short video, I'm actually going to be showing you exactly how this is done. And if I tell you these pictures you're seeing are actually done using AI, will you believe? Of course, I know that you're going to believe. Now, let me quickly show you how this is done. First off, you need to actually go to this particular website called Styler AI, Styler AI.ai. So when you're done, it's going to prompt you to register. Register with your Gmail, please. Register with your Gmail. It's not something that is that you can just quickly register with your Gmail and that's set. So immediately you're done registering, just scroll down. You can scroll down and check on all other things that people are doing. Now, everything you're looking at here are styles in which you can use to generate your images. Now, the ones we're going to be generating, the styles we're going to be using are this. I'm going to use this style. I'll use this style and I'll also use innocent cutie, which is this style. So now at the end of the day, you also will be able to generate whatever it is you want to generate with the help of this. This also, we can actually try this. So now let us quickly say what we can do. So what you just need to do is to click on new project. Click on new project. So when you click on new project, it's going to prompt you like, are you going to be importing images or you want to go to text to image? I'm going to create another video that will help you, that will show you how to use import images, but just for today let us just use text to image. Now what you just need to do now, just click on text to image. So now if you look at this particular tab here, what this is a tab that contains all the styles. Now, what exactly or what styles do you really want to use for the sake of this video? So, or for the sake of your picture or whatever, it tentatively depends on your choice. But just for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using some set of styles. Now, let me just describe my prompt. I will say Cristiano Ronaldo, Cristiano Ronaldo dribbling, dribbling with football. Now, dribbling with football, let me write it very well. Cristiano Ronaldo dribbling with football. Cristiano, right, good. So now I'm not going to use this realistic. Let us use something funny. I'm going to use, I'm not going to use apocalyptic horror. And let us use innocent cutie. Innocent cutie. You can use caricatured 3D. It depends on whatever it is you want to use. You can use pixel. You can use whatever. Each of these styles are here, and believe me, it is actually free. So now, now let me see. Okay, so we have innocent cutie. All right, right. As we're going, let us just write into the world. Now this is it. I'm going to use a star. So immediately, hi. Immediately we're done. So let us see. Okay, innocent kitty. So let us just stellarize it. So when you click on this, you're going to wait. Can you see? Wow. Can you see this? Can you see? So just click if you want to download it. It's not hard. So what you just need to do is to click on all the images, then you place them on canvas. So when you place them on canvas, then you click on export. As you can see what this come up with. You can see, look at this layer too, look at this. So you can say this and the one, this and the one. So this is it. This is it. So what you just need to do is not far-fetched. Just download all of these images. And how do you download them? Just click on export and you click on export all layers, export 4 pics. So and that we have the video downloaded on your PC. And that is how it is done. Then you check it on your downloaded materials and you'll be able to check what you've done. That is just how to do that. And if you really let us try another, let's try another pics. Let's say we choose, no, don't let us use image to image. Let's still use text to image. Cristiano Ronaldo dribbling with football. Let us use another style this time around. Let's assume I use, let's say we use apocalyptic horror. I think I like this a lot. So let's see what it's going to come up with. Now look at this, look at this. You can see these are all beautiful. These are all beautiful. So you can do whatever it is you want to do with this. Do you understand? And whatever you want to use it for. Do you get it now? Alright now, I believe you like it. And if you just drop a like, drop a comment. I'll see you in the next video.